Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back. All praises go to the Most High Yah for allowing us to see another day. Thank you so much, Father. In Yahweh's name I pray. Amen. Okay, y'all. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. So I hope you all went over and watched a shorts. I did a shorts, and I want to throw this out there. I'm going to be doing a whole lot of short videos, okay? I got a reason, a purpose, and a plan for what I am trying to accomplish here on this channel. So I will be doing more shorts. So y'all make sure y'all go over and check out those short videos, okay? Because sometimes some of those short videos that I do will be linked to the videos that you see me doing here, okay? So my name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment on some items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Before I get started, y'all, please make sure you thumbs ups these videos. I need the thumbs ups, y'all, so that my videos can go into rotation, because I'm trying to reach as many people as possible, okay? So I was at the Dollar Tree today, and I saw these pom-poms. Now, I did a video in my shorts showing y'all those oval wood beads. I finally found them, y'all. I finally found those oval wood beads, okay? But these are the pom-poms that I found at that Dollar Tree. Now, I don't go to that Dollar Tree, far and few in between. Every now and then I go past it. They had everything. When I say everything, they had stuff in that Dollar Tree that I've never seen before in the Dollar Tree. I saw it today in that Dollar Tree, but the two Dollar Trees that I normally go to had none of that stuff, okay? Not even these pom-poms. So I bought 2 packs of these pom-poms, but I want to show y'all a really cute abstract pom-pom earring that I came up with, okay? So you're going to need 2 packs. And the reason why I said it is because you're going to need, because the colors in here, okay, you don't get that many. So just make sure if you find these, you get 2 packs. But I want to tell you, if you don't find the pom-poms at the Dollar Tree, you can use any pom-poms that you have, okay? So you will need some pom-poms. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire, and this aluminum wire is 8 inches long. You're going to need 3 of these wood oval beads. You're going to need some pom-poms. I'm going to count on now because I got to add more from this pack, okay? You're going to need your fish hooks, 2 fish hooks, your wire cutters, and your round nose pliers, and your handy dandy glue gun, okay? So I got to make sure I have enough glue sticks. So now I need to take and add a few more. And the reason why I didn't open this up and show y'all was because I wanted y'all to see, okay, with the tag on it, that I got them from Crafter Square. If you go and watch that video that I did in my shorts, I bought these, but I also bought some other, it was another color that they came in as well, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start on these pom-pom abstract earrings. Now I gotta figure out what other colors I need. I need these 2 right here. Is this the purple? No, I need these 2. Are these gray or blue? Wait a minute. Let's shake them out so I can see what I'm doing here. Okay. So I need 2 of these. These are like, it's like a gray purple. So you're gonna need 2 of these. You're gonna need 1 big red one, 1 big green one. This is like a brown to me. You're gonna need 1 small one of these brown ones. You're going to need 1 of this color, the same color as this, little. You're gonna need 1 of these blue ones. You're gonna need 2 gold ones, a big one and a little one. And I believe you're gonna need another red one, another little red one, which is this one here. Trying to get them all together, y'all. So you need 1, 2, and I believe that's it. And another one of these. Okay, so all together you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to need 12 pom-poms. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that we're going to do, and I know I did a lot of talking in the beginning. Okay, let's set that there. You're going to take and you're going to put on your wood pieces. Okay, so you're just going to line them on like this. All 3 of them. Bam, bam, and bam. You're going to put them in, try to get them in the center of your earring. Okay, you're going to pinch each side up like this. Go on one side and then you go over here on this side. Okay, and this is the shape that you're going to have. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to take your front piece. Wait a minute. You're going to take your front piece and wrap it around that back piece, or you can take the back piece and wrap it around the front piece. So I'm going to take the back piece and just start wrapping it around the front piece, but I'm going to pinch this up like that. And I'm going to wrap this a few times, just like this. I'm going to wrap it until I don't have any more wire, just like that. Okay, and that's pretty much what you're going to have. You're going to take your cutters and just come and snip that off, and that's going to be, you want to put this piece right here where you cut it, you want that to be on the back of your earring. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start gluing these on. Okay, so you want to glue on your red one. So your red one is going to come over to the side. So you want to glue it right here. Put a little glue. And then just push that on like that. Hold it for a few seconds. Okay. Then you're going to take a little purple one, which is this one, and you're going to take and place some glue right here. And then you're going to just plop that right there, just like that. Okay. Then you're going to take this purple one and you're going to place that right here. Okay, so we're going to plop that right here like that. Plop and hold that for a few minutes. All right. Then we're going to take this little gray one and you're going to place that one right here. So we're just going to take, drop some glue and plop that one right here like that. Plop, hold it for a few minutes. Okay. Yeah, that's bouncing all over the place. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our green one and we're going to place our green one right here. So you want to place that right, put as much glue as you see fit. And you're just gonna squeeze that in like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna take and come right here and hit it with a little more glue. And I'm gonna take that gray one that popped in the floor, y'all. So I gotta hurry up before this dry. And plop it right here, plop, just like that. Okay. All right. And you can squeeze it so that everything can be held together. Okay. Alrighty. Now this is what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna flip it this way. When you flip it this way, you're gonna take one of your red ones, no, actually a blue one, this blue one, and you're gonna place that blue one in between here. So we're gonna place it right here. Okay, plop it right there, plop it right there. That's where the blue one goes. Okay. Okay. And then we're going to add a red one right here. So we're gonna add a red one right there. So plop just a little bit, just like that. And we're gonna slide that right in there like that and hold it. Then we're gonna come here on this side and we're gonna plop another red one right here, just like that. Okay. So this is what you have so far. And then we're gonna take and come here with this one, that gold one, and we're gonna plop that right here. Real quick. That right there. Okay. So this is what our earring is looking like so far. And then we're gonna come here and I'm gonna plop the little one right here, just like that. Okay. And I'm gonna come here and plop this purple one right here. Okay. This is what our earring is looking like so far. And now I'm gonna grab one more of these. So you're gonna need 13. And I just wanna put something right in this gap right there. So I'm gonna slide that right there, just like that. I'm gonna take and come and just squeeze. Take my hand and do just like this with it. Okay, so this is going to be the front and this is going to be the back. And what you want to do now, because remember that this part where you cut it is going to be the back of your earring. I'm just going to bring this over like that. Okay, I'm going to snip it just like that. And I'm going to make a loop. That glue, y'all, right here. Just like this. Okay. And then all you do is add on your fish hook close it up. Closing it. Okay. And here you have yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. These are abstract, just like I said, they're abstract. They don't have to look. The colors, you want the colors to match up, but the design, you can make it however you want to make it. Okay, so this is how they go. These are the earrings. Wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute, let me put them in my hands. And then all you do next, y'all, is you may have to go in to clean the strings where the glue is, but these are too cute. Okay, this is why I don't like fooling with the glue gun, because you have your hands pretty much full. But this is it right here. I'm gonna have to go in and really clean these up. But this is your finished look. This is what you're gonna have. Okay, I think these are too cute. Okay, so there you have it. Something different, something unique, some Pom Pom earrings, y'all. Y'all go and get you some stuff. Like I said, you don't necessarily have to. If you go to the Dollar Tree and you don't see these, I seen these these fall ones. These are like, this have a fall look to it. I did see these in Michael's. The other day I was in Michael's and I forgot what I went in there to look for. I was looking for something in Michael's and I saw this color of Pom Poms in there. Okay, now this fabric is different. I don't know what this is. It has like a mesh look, but it's really different. Okay, but like I said, I did get these from the Dollar Tree. Y'all go make yourself plenty. These are just too cute. Okay, so with that being said, thank y'all so much for taking out the time to watch this here video. Please make sure once again you thumbs up the video, and thank you to my new supporters. Thank y'all so very much for joining me. Thank you to my old loyal supporters, for those of you who are always there. All right, y'all, so with that being said, y'all continue to stay safe, and until my next upload or podcast, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.